Welcome to Hunter Army Airfield in beautiful Savannah, Georgia. With more than a dozen units on post, we serve nearly 5,000 soldiers and their families. Located 40 miles from Fort Stewart, you'll find many of the same features and services here that you will there, but we hope you'll find some unique ones too. Montgomery Gate is our main access control point to the post, and is also where you will find our Visitor Control Center. Tuttle Army Health Clinic is one of the essential service providers for you and your family. Your TRICARE enrollment allows the whole family to receive comprehensive primary care at Tuttle. Our clinic also provides support through its pharmacy, laboratory, imagery department, optometry, dentistry, physical therapy, behavioral health, and select specialty providers. Anything not offered here can be accessed at Fort Stewart's Wynn Army Community Hospital or through a referral off post. Tominac Gym is our next stop. Tominac is the only MWR gym on Hunter open to all beneficiaries. From free and machine weights to our climbing wall and functional fitness rooms, from our great aerobic equipment suite to our racquetball courts and indoor pool, this great gym has everything you need to stay fit and ready. Our Soldier Service Center is home to many of our essential services, beginning with the DEERS office where you get your ID card. This building also houses Army Community Service, where you may request from the loan closet, ask about an Army Emergency Relief loan, get help with spouse employment, or connect with a military family life counselor. Our Soldier Service Center also houses our Personnel Processing Center, where you'll handle things like PCS and ETS transitions. Across the street from the Soldier Service Center is our Commissary and Post Exchange. Shop here for all your groceries, a wide range of household goods and appliances, and clothing and entertainment items. You'll also find a barber shop, military clothing sales, dry cleaners, and a sew shop. If you're looking for a quick meal without having to leave post, you'll find a Subway inside the exchange and a Popeyes across the street. For family fun in the coastal Georgia sun, MWR has you covered. Cool down in our outdoor pool or one of our 2 kid-friendly splash pads. If lounging around the pool isn't your thing, come play around or loosen up on the driving range at our terrific Hunter Golf Course. We have the best rates in Savannah and a staff ready to provide instruction for those new to the game. On the west end of Hunter Army Airfield, far past the Rio Gate, you'll find both a fully equipped RV park and a primitive campground. The picturesque Lots Island offers you a place to put in your boat and access coastal Georgia's great waterways, or have a party in one of our screened shelters. But don't worry, if the location is booked, you can also rent out the Hunter Club and make use of their many catering options for parties of any size. When you're ready to explore our host city of Savannah, be sure to check out Leisure Travel Services and take advantage of the discounts and packages offered here. You'll find trolley tours and guides to Savannah's historic district. At Outdoor Recreation, you can rent boats, campers, kayaks, and much more, or stroll next door to enjoy our skeet and trap range where equipment and instruction is available. Once the sun sets over the coastal empire, you're going to need a place to lay your head. Whether you're a new arrival or departing for a new assignment, our on-post hotel will make lodging during your transition easy. If you choose to live on post while stationed here, Hunter has nearly 700 family homes in 5 neighborhoods. Housing placement is based on rank, family size, and availability. Residents enjoy 24-hour maintenance, lawn care services, community events, and several amenities. Utilities, water, and trash are all included in your housing fee. So you've gotten a good look at what Hunter has to offer you. It might also be helpful to understand why this post exists and why it's important to the Army. At more than 2 miles long, the airfield here houses one of the largest military runways in the eastern United States. This airfield can facilitate the largest, heaviest aircraft in the defense inventory. And with its proximity to Fort Stewart and the Port of Savannah, Hunter is an essential power projection platform on the East Coast, allowing deployment of contingency forces to anywhere in the world within 48 hours. The 3rd Combat Aviation Brigade is the largest unit on the installation, but we are also home to several special operations units, and we have units from every branch of service. Our location in coastal Georgia is not only great for families, but it is an essential location for military operations. We're so glad that you're going to become part of the Hunter family. We encourage you to get engaged in our community, make good use of all the services we have to offer you, and explore this wonderful part of our country. Follow Hunter Army Airfield on Facebook for news and events, and welcome to Hunter Army Airfield.